In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export multiple photos in Darktable. First, make sure you're in the right place inside the app. You want to be in the Light Table view, which is the photo browser. This is different from Darkroom, where you edit a single image. Light Table is where you can see lots of thumbnails at once and work with them as a group, which is exactly what we need for a multi-photo export. Next, select the images you want to export. Click once on any photo to select it. If you want a continuous range, click the first image in the series, then hold Shift and click the last one. Everything in between will be included. You'll see your selections highlighted, so take a moment to confirm you've got the right set. Now, open the Export panel. Look to the right-hand sidebar and scroll until you find a section labeled Export Selected. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see all the settings. This panel controls how and where your files will be saved, and it's worth dialing these options in before you start. Let's set the export options. For target storage, choose File on Disk. That tells Darktable to save finished files to your computer. For output folder, pick the location where you want the exported photos to go. Choosing a dedicated folder for each project keeps things organized and makes the files easy to find later. For file format, select what fits your needs. JPEG is the most common for sharing and online use because it keeps file sizes small. TIFF is a great choice if you want maximum quality and a format that's friendly for further editing. PNG is useful for transparency or graphics, though it can be larger. If you need to control the final size, look at the resize and quality settings. You can set dimensions in pixels if you're preparing images for web use, or use resolution settings if you're sending files to print. For JPEGs, a quality setting in the high 80s often gives an excellent balance of clarity and file size. If you require the absolute best, push it higher. If you need smaller files, lower it slightly. When everything looks good, press the Export button at the bottom of the panel. Darktable will process all the selected images as one batch. You can watch the progress and let it run. Once it's finished, your files will be waiting in the output folder you chose. That's it. Select your photos in Light Table, set your export options, and export them all at once.